Okay, this is heading tags, the next lesson. So before we get started, we're going to go ahead and do a drop down arrow. We're doing a new file, and we can call this heading tags. And notice that this file has the extension .html. That means it's going to be a HTML file. Okay, so that's the file extension .html. All right, let's get started. All right, read through the lesson about heading tags. Basically, you know that there's headings 1 all the way down to heading 6. H1 down to H6. H1 is the biggest. H6 is the smallest. Okay, so from H1 all the way down to H6. Those are heading tags. Heading tags have an open tag and a closing tag and something in between. Okay, all right. And whenever you do heading 1, when you do your websites, you should only have heading one time on your website at the top to be the title of the website. And then the rest of them will be for subheadings, but only use H1 one time. Read through this lesson before you take the quiz and watch the video, okay? Look at the different keywords because that'll help you when it's time for you to take your quiz. Opening tag, closing tag, hierarchy, okay? Know about hierarchy. Let's look at the checkpoint. All right, so in your code editor, create H1 through H6 tags, choose 6 of your favorite activities, and rank them. So they're going from H1 down to H6. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so if you can see here, I went ahead and typed it all out. So we have H1 down to H6. All right, and I'm going to run that code, and then we're going to go ahead and grade it. All right. Next is the quiz. Make sure you read through that material and watch that video before you take the quiz. You get 2 chances. Okay, after you complete the quiz, you're going to go and do your 2 challenges. Okay, for this challenge, biggest to smallest, you have to do this output from biggest to smallest. Check your requirements and just make sure you have the correct thing, okay? All right, so I have my code here from the biggest to the smallest. Run it and grade it. There we go. All right, let's do the next one. The next one is create a haiku, so I'm going to do that one. You can pick whichever one you want. But for the haiku one, the first and third line will be H3, and the second line will be H1. So this is a H3, H3, that's a H1. Make sure you read your instructions the right way and do what you have to do. All right, so here's my code. I got my H3, my H1, and my H3. Everything is closed correctly. Run it and grade it. Okay, there you go. So I completed all of my lessons and I can move on to the next lesson, or I can just stay here and keep working because there's no other lessons open. I'll open some more lessons for you. All right, bye.